Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 of our English grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Articles. What are the articles? When this question is asked from anyone, the answer which would be given is that a, an, and the are known as articles. Yes, it is correct. But let us go deeper into the definition and learn something more about articles, which is one of the most important topic of the grammar. So here, basically an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. As you know the definition of adjective, the word which are used before noun or pronoun and which give us additional information and modify nouns or pronoun that are known as adjective. Likewise, articles are also used before nouns and it modifies that noun. That's why it is also known as an adjective. So let us categorize them. They are three in number: a, an, and the. But they come under two categories. First category is particular noun or definite articles, and second category is indefinite articles. The which is used to refer to specific or particular nouns is definite article, and a and an which are used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns come under the category of indefinite articles. So let us understand more about the kinds of articles. We call the definite article and a and an the indefinite articles. So here, before going deep into definite and indefinite articles and their uses, we should be aware of the definition of definite and indefinite. Definite means something about which you are sure, and indefinite means you are not sure about it. So here the article which is definite article is used before those nouns about which you are sure, and a and an are used before those nouns about which you are not sure. That's why they are known as indefinite articles. So here let us learn the uses of a and an indefinite articles. First rule is these indefinite articles a or an are used before singular noun only. And second rule regarding indefinite article is that a is used before singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Sound is important, letter or consonant is not important. If the letter is consonant but it is not giving consonant sound, then we will not use a article there. But if letter is vowel or consonant but it is giving consonant sound, then we will use a article before that singular noun. Second rule is air is used before that noun beginning with a vowel sound. It depends on the sound which article we will use at that place. So a is used before singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, and an is used before singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Like user. User here, after looking at this word, you may place here an because u is written there, but it is not giving us vowel sound, it is giving us consonant sound. So here we will use a user, and here h before that article which is giving us vowel sound but vowel is not written there, we will use n. like an R, an honest person. So here H is silent and these words are giving us vowel sound, that's why we will use an article before them. So here words used before and modifies nouns are known as articles, which functions as adjectives in the sentence. They come under two categories, specific or general. The is specific article, a and an are general articles. So here let us discuss them by taking the help of example. So here definite article the is used before unique or specific, that is unique or specific noun, like I want to eat the apple. Here pictures of 5 apples are shown. If I am talking about particular apple, first one, second one or the third one, then I will use the article before that apple because I am talking about a particular unique or specific kind of noun. But if I am talking about any apple, then generally I will use a or an article there. But as an apple is used, apple is giving us vowel sound, that's why we have used here an. I want to eat an apple means any one of these apples, but I want to eat the apple which is at first position. So here unique or specific position is used, that's why we have used definite article the here. So a or n, use or when to use a or n, there are 26 letters in English, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. These 5 vowels are a, e, I, o, u and the remaining 21 letters comes under consonant category. So here if any noun is giving us vowel sound a, e, I, o, u, then we will place an article there. But if that kind of noun is giving us consonant sound, then we will use a article there. So here vowel sound an aunt, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an R. An R is written in box because H is here silent and it is giving us vowel sound, that's why we have used an here. So finally a, e, I, o, u, if these sounds are in the beginning of any noun, then we will place an there. If the noun is giving us consonant sound, then we will place there a article. Now let us discuss the uses of the definite article. We will discuss 5 uses. First use is it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. He has a girl, any girl. In this sentence it is not clear, it is indefinite which girl we are talking about, that's why we have placed a indefinite article here. In second sentence we are talking about the same girl. The girl wants to become a doctor. So here the is written before second girl because now we are referring to something or someone which has already been mentioned. Second use is it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Particularity means definite. We are definite about that thing, then we will use the article. My father enjoyed the book you gave him. Not any other book, but the particular book which you gave him. That's why we have used the definite article here. Third use, it is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class. Like in common noun, the cow is a useful animal. So here two articles are used. We are talking about the article here. So here the cow is representing the whole class of cow. That's why we have placed the article here. And useful, we have placed a article here because u is a vowel, but it is in this word it is not beginning with the vowel sound. That's why we have used a article here. Fourth one is it is used before some proper nouns like oceans and seas, the Pacific, the Black Sea, rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, they are only one of their kind, deserts, the Sahara, group of islands, the West Indies, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible, they are unique, they are proper noun and we always use the before these proper nouns. Fifth use is it is used the to refer to people or objects that are unique in themselves. They are only one of their kind, so we will use the before these objects which are unique. The sun, there is only one sun, so we have used the before sun. The moon, the sky, the ocean, the sea. And one more use of the is used before superlative degree. He is the best. So before superlative degree also we will use the definite article. So this is how we have discussed two category or three articles, definite articles and indefinite articles, which are a, an and the. I hope you are very clear about definite and indefinite articles and their uses. Thank you. Thanks a lot.